Oh, hello, Kate. Fancy meeting you here. I'd like you to meet my boyfriend, Vernon. Oh, hello, Vernon. Are you from around this way?
Nah, I'm from London, ain't I? I'm from Dagenham.
Oh, well, would you like a drink?
Nah, I don't go round buying drinks for every cunt that comes and sits on me table. I'm from London. London!
Oh, well, she did just buy you a drink.
Well, if she's cunt enough to go round doing that, then fucking let her. She's big enough and ugly enough to look after herself. I'm from London. London! I'm from Dagenham.